In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook too many requests problem. If you're seeing a too many requests message in Outlook on the web, it usually means Outlook's servers are temporarily rate limiting your connection. This often happens when many rapid actions come from the same place, and most of the time that place is identified by your IP address. The good news is this is typically temporary and easy to work around. Let's walk through a clear, practical sequence you can follow. Start by changing the network you're using. Because the block is often IP-based, switching from your current Wi-Fi to mobile data can instantly give you a fresh IP. An easy way is to turn on your phone's hotspot and connect your computer to it. You can also try a reputable VPN to rotate your IP, though some VPN endpoints may be blocked too. After switching networks, close the Outlook tab, reopen it, and try loading your mailbox again. If that doesn't clear the message, give it a little time. Waiting between 15 minutes and an hour often lets the temporary limit expire on the server side. Use this time to avoid repeatedly clicking or refreshing, which can sometimes extend the cooldown. Next, open Outlook in a private or incognito window. Private browsing starts a clean session without your existing cookies and cached data, which can be tied to the error state. Open a new private window in your browser, go to Outlook on the web, and sign in. This quick reset frequently bypasses sticky session issues. If the error page still shows, try a force refresh. On that page, press F5 or FN plus F5 on some laptops several times in a row, about 5 to 7 refreshes. A hard refresh requests a fresh copy from the server and can knock loose a stubborn error screen without changing any settings. Finally, clear cached data and cookies for the domains Outlook relies on. In your browser settings, go to Privacy or Site Data, search for live.com, Microsoft.com, and Outlook.com, and remove the stored cookies and cached files just for those sites. This targets the problem without wiping everything else. Close your browser completely, reopen it, and try Outlook again. Work through these steps in order, and you'll usually regain access quickly. Change your network, wait a short while, use a private window, force refresh, and if needed, clear site data for the Outlook related domains. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back into your inbox without the too many requests roadblock.